Hi everybody, this is Sandy with Cartoons and Disney, and I'm at Hobby Lobby and they have some Barbie stuff, so I want to show you what they have. First of all, they have this Barbie 7 scented bath bombs, cherry blossom. And it's got ponytail Barbie head on it. These are $3.99, and they have the Barbie eye mask pillowcase set for $6.99. Ages 3 and up. So you get a reversible pillowcase and a reversible eye mask. What is this? Have a Barbie glitter shadow palette with all the brushes. Nice little makeup set with all kinds of brushes with it. I hope you can see it. The light's pretty bright in here. And the back, it's $13.99 for the Barbie shadow palette. They have Barbie hand cream set for Barbie fans. Barbie girl limited edition Barbie. This is only $3.99. I kind of like this. I wonder, vanilla scented, cherry blossom, strawberry, and berry. Let's see what else they have. There are so many things. Is this Barbie? So here's Barbie 4 erasers for 74 cents. It's ages 5 and up. It's kind of hard to get on there. But they have more. So let's go over and see what they have. I saw some stuff on this aisle over here. Oh, look. Here's a Barbie trifold wallet. And this one is $8.99. No Barbie cup. But I saw a Barbie, I saw a Barbie mini fridge here. I think it's down here. If it takes me too long to find it, I'll shorten the. Oh, it's this way. Maybe not. Robbie's here somewhere, but I don't know where he went. Okay. I'm going to have to shorten the video because I can't find it. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Okay. So, Barbie mini fridge, thermoelectric cooler, holds up to 6 cans of soda, and it's on clearance for $18.49. Wow. Let's see if they have anything else that's Barbie. The rest of it is Hello Kitty, and I already did the Hello Kitty stuff. So I'm going to look around and see if they have any more Barbie stuff, and I'll be right back.